Good morning, students. We are going to continue the use of present simple tense. Yesterday, we studied four use in four situations. Yesterday, we studied present simple use as permanent activity, universal truth, habitual action, thoughts, feeling, emotions. Now today we will study about the situation fixed program in future. Present simple is also used for some fixed plan or program which will happen in future. For fixed plan program which will happen in future. Example. His marriage comes off, off. Come off means happen. His marriage comes off in May. His marriage comes off in May. Another example. This is his plan, future plan. So this is month of July. So future plan we can say November. His marriage comes off in November. Another example. She goes to London on 5th December. She goes to London on 5th December. This is her plan, that on 5th December she will go to London. Another example. The college reopens in September. The college reopens in September. It is planned about future that in future September college will reopen. These are the examples of future planning. Now another situation. Situation number 6. Exclamatory sentence starting with here, there. Simple present also used with exclamatory sentence that will start with here or there. It will express joy or surprise. Exclamatory sentence means it will express joy or surprise. Exclamatory sentence. Example is here he comes. Here he comes. Exclamation sign. Not right full stop. Exclamation mark. Here he comes. Sign of exclamation. Exclamation mark. With surprise or joy, we say that here he comes. Again there. There goes the bus. There goes the bus. There goes my friend. These are examples of exclamatory sentence starting with here, there. It expresses joy or surprise. In such situations also we use simple present tense. Now situation number 7. Use number 7 of simple present tense. Use number 7 of simple present tense. Two future actions expressing condition or time. Two actions will happen in future and that will express condition or time. Example, if you come, I will help you. Two actions. If you come first action and will help second action. Two action will happen in future and it indicates condition. If means condition. Condition is that I will help you. condition is that I will help you if you come. So on the condition you come, I will help you. Condition sentence means sentence which starts with if or unless. Unless means if not. And so two actions will happen. One action come and another action will help. Two actions both will happen in future and it indicates a condition if. So in conditional sentence, two actions will happen in future. Then simple present use. Simple present use in not in both sentence. Simple present use in only condition sentence or time sentence. Not both sentence, only one sentence in condition or time. The example is if you come. Condition sentence if. So if you come. Another sentence will be simple future. I will help you. Another sentence, I will help you, simple future. Only condition sentence and time sentence will be simple present. Another example. When you come here. When you come here. When means time. When time sentence is present. When you come here. This is time sentence, so it will be present. You will get a job. Another sentence future, you will get a job. When you come here, you will get a job. Another example. Unless you work hard, you will not succeed. Unless is also condition. Unless means if not. Condition sentence, so it will be in present. Unless you work hard, work present. Another sentence will be future. You will not succeed. Unless you work hard, you will not succeed. Now use number 8 to express incidents in a book or play. Play means drama. Incidents, events of a book or drama. If we wish to express, tell, those incidents are also expressed in simple present. Example, book. In the first chapter of the book, in the first chapter of this book, the author means writer. In the first chapter of this book, the author describes his life. Describes, simple present. Describes his life. We are telling about a book, so present simple. Another example, in this film, drama, book, incidents, if we are going to tell, that will be in simple present. In this film, my friend plays, simple present. In this film, my friend plays the role of King Harishchandra. In this film, my friend plays the role of King Harishchandra. The incidents of, if we want to describe any incidents of film, drama, book, then those are told in simple present. Situation number 9, running commentary of matches. Running commentary of matches on TV or radio is also in simple present. Example. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli runs after the ball. Runs, simple present, comma. Virat Kohli runs after the ball, comma. Catches it, simple present, catches it, and throws, simple present, and throws it on the stumps. Again, I speak sentence. Virat Kohli runs after the ball, comma, catches it, and throws it on the stumps. Now last situation, quotations of writers or scholars. Quotations of 10 number use. Quotations of writers or scholars means great sentences, great thoughts of writers and scholars are also in simple present. Example. John Keats was a great writer. John Keats, sage. John Keats, sage, simple present. In inverted comma we will write, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Another, it says a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Is, simple present. Dryden sage. Dryden is also a famous writer. None but the brave deserves the fair. Deserves, present simple. Milton sage. Milton was also a great writer. They also serve, V1, simple present. Who only stand and wait. Stand, V1, simple present. Wait, V1, simple present. So quotations, great thoughts, great sentences of great writers are also in simple present tense. That's all for today. Simple present ends today. In the next class, we'll study use of present continuous tense. Thank you.